Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. In this video, guys, we're going to learn how to search for archived geocaches. Here we go. Okay guys, let's go ahead and dive into how to find an archived geocache. So you want to use projectgc.com, which is right where we left off in last week's video. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to make sure you guys check that out. You're going to click on Tools, then you're going to click on Map Compare. That is going to bring up the feature right here on the website, and what will happen is it will allow you to compare your caches with other people's caches. It will also allow you to look up for disabled caches or archive caches. If you want to add a filter, you would click out over here for the different filter that you might be looking for, and then it will just pop right up. So as you can see, I added a difficulty and terrain filter. We're not going to use that, so I'm going to unselect it by holding down the control button. But if you knew the difficulty and you knew the terrain, you would be able to use this to narrow down your search even further. I live in Hamilton County, so we're going to go down to Hamilton County, and I'm interested in finding caches that have been archived that are letterboxes and traditional caches. Now, if you want to get these to be highlighted, all you have to do is hold down the control button and it will highlight whatever cache type you're interested in doing. If you hold down the shift button right here and you click it, it will highlight all the ones up to a certain point. So just hold down control and it will give you the 1 or 2 caches or 3 caches that you're interested in finding. From here over to the right of that is the size of the container. So if you know that it's a micro or you want to filter in on just micro caches, that option is right there for you as well. Down at the bottom, if you want to find caches that are disabled and archived, then you can keep those checked. I'm not interested in disabled caches. I just want to find caches that are archived. So then once you have all your settings the way you're looking for them, you're going to go ahead and hit filter. And what will happen is the map will load up of caches that have been archived, that are also active, that are letterboxes, that are traditionals, and it will bring up a giant map of caches in Hamilton County, because Hamilton County is one of the biggest counties in Ohio. A few things on this map to look at. The first one is if you see one right here that has the red X around it, that means that that cache has been archived. Now you might ask yourself, well, why would I want to search for an archive cache? There's a couple reasons. One, you can see where other caches have previously been placed on the map, which is a really cool feature. You also, and that's valuable actually, because it tells you where people have hidden caches in a specific area in the past. So that spot might be open for you to place a cache there in the future. You'll notice that there are other caches on the map as well that are highlighted. Those are the ones that are still currently active. What this also allows you to do, it allows you to bring up that archive cache that is no longer on the map. So we're going to click on Tattoo You. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to geocaching will load that cache on the website, and this would be a cache that you couldn't find any other way than using projectgc.com. Alright guys, this seems like a great place to wrap up this tutorial video. If you're not already a Geocaching with Triple P subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.